Wanna know how to sign up or create an account in Lovable AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your web browser and type in lovable.dev. So once you've selected it, here you can see get started. Just simply select get started right here. And now you can just simply create an account by continuing with Google, GitHub or email. For this video, I'm just going with Google. So you can just simply select an account and log in. And once that is done, you should be registered, logged in, and you should be easily able to type in prompts and start using Lovable AI with saved chat histories and much more features. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.